Can you use a ROBS for an existing business? Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the rollover business startup solution and can you use it for an existing business? So what's ROBS? ROBS is a structure, rollover business startup, that takes an advantage of an exception in the tax code under section 4975 D13 that allows a 401k to buy corporate stock, which is qualified employer securities. So it's an exception to the prohibited transaction rules. And under ROBS, the structure allows you to use your pre-tax retirement funds to invest in a business that you operate through a corporation that you're personally involved in. So because it takes advantage of an exception under D, it's not subject to the prohibited transaction rules under C. So can you use it for an existing business? The answer is sure. You need a C Corp. Okay, you're gonna need to adopt a 401k plan. If the business you're looking to acquire already has a 401k, then you're gonna need to make sure that you offer plan benefits to the current employees. And you may also, depending on how it's structured, have to offer those employees the ability to buy the stock in the business that you're acquiring through your 401k. So it gets somewhat complicated. ROBS is a lot easier to set up when you're using a new corp that adopts a new 401k and you roll over your pre-tax retirement funds tax-free to the 401k by stock in the corp, and then you go ahead and run your business. When you have an existing business that you're buying into, where you have an existing corp, and then you're setting up a 401k through that corp, or there's an existing 401k, there are some details that need to be addressed to make sure that you are in full compliance. So again, if you're using a ROBS, you got to make sure two things. It's got to be a C Corp. So if the business you're buying is an S Corp, you may either have to elect back into C Corp status or have a C Corp blocker and the C Corp own C Corp, because when a S Corp is established, there are shareholder restriction rules and a corporation cannot own an S Corp. So bottom line, it's much easier to set up a ROBS for a new company, for a new business. If you have an existing business you're buying, that's a corp, there's no 401k, it's doable, much easier. If the existing business is an S Corp or an LLC with a current 401k, it gets a little bit more complicated, but that's why you want to work with the experts at IRA Financial, so we can help you structure the transaction so you can use a ROBS, use your retirement funds, tax-free, penalty-free, to buy a business, be involved in the business, earn a salary, and have your retirement funds work for you.